90 miles on the highway, every day moving so fast, taking all the wrong ways out.
Today we're traveling to the airport. No, today we're traveling to the hotel. And in the hotel, I don't know what we're gonna do. MRI. This is my outfit. I got a Travis Kelce shirt, and then I got this sweater. I love this sweater, this cardigan, so much, but it's so big that it won't fit in my bag. I have to wear it around. Kind of weighted too. It's really comfy. These are the shoes I'm wearing this on. Get a little POV.
Right before I hit the ground, son, how you came along and found me. Some will say it's magic, but I know that you did all that. You're the reason, there's no doubt. Doesn't matter just how many times I tried. There could only be a single reason why.
Tango Marengo. Tango Marengo.
How the miracles just happen like that, happen like that, happen like that. You can see the stars align, but I know that it's more than time.
There's the four bomb back there. I forgot to video it.
Right before I hit the ground, son.
Oh, this is so cool. Not that terrorist attacking is cool, but look, that building right there, they bombed it down at the entrance. You can kind of see it, not really. You can see a little bit of where some windows broke up there. But yeah, they bombed it like a car bomb like last week. And I'm telling you, this was like the talk of the school. Like, everyone was talking about this. Like, a bomb went off like a couple of hours from us, so everyone was like freaking out, and everyone got out their phones and started watching the news, and it was pretty cool. But yeah, now it's kind of cool to actually be standing here. It's right in front of the mall. Okay. We're getting bubble tea. Hey vlog.
We got ice cream.
Oh, we're in the
90 miles on the
store.
highway.
Yay!
Every day moving so fast, taking all the wrong way. Never saw you come back.
Ordered sushi there. And we're waiting on it.
From the long way down.
So kind of a random turn of events, we end up going to a bowling alley. Hey vlog. Nice up. Thanks.
You can see the stars align, but I know that it's more than timing. How the miracles just happen like that, happen like that.
Of the street.
Right before I hit the ground, son, how you came along and found me.
Should've known I'd be the first to leave. Think about the place where you used to be. They're playing Taylor Swift.
And also, oh my god, 6-7. But the other side and 6-7.
I have 6-6 right now.
All that, you're the reason, there's no doubt. Doesn't matter just how many.
We're at Krispy Kreme getting Mama's favorite snack. We got, I got 2 originals and a pumpkin one.
You can see the stars align, but I know that it's
Hello,
more than time.
look at my donut.
How the miracles just happen.